Welcome folks to another quick video. I thought I'll make this one in public interest about how to keep your car sanitized and disinfected from the recent COVID-19 outbreak. Most of you treat your car as a second home of sorts, especially now that you have avoided public transportation. So it's a good idea to keep things clean inside your car. Now, before I begin this video, I would like to mention that I'm not a public health expert, so please follow appropriate guidelines if you have received from your manufacturer. But here are some quick tips that you can do right now to make sure your car is disinfected. Now, I've been reading a lot of articles and reports on how to do that most effectively. So first and foremost, avoid using any ammonia based or hydrogen peroxide based cleaning agents, which can really cause long-term damage to your car interiors, especially all the vinyls and the plastic materials. At the same time, I would also mention that your regular dashboard cleaners or your normal hand sanitizers are not effective inside your car. What I would really recommend and I have been using is any alcohol based isopropyl alcohol based cleaning solutions. Anything that has 70% and more is proven to be effective in cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. So first and foremost, what you should really think about is cleaning your AC ducts. So if you haven't done that for a period of time, please visit your service centers or garages and make sure you get that done. It's also a good time to therefore replace your air filters because sometimes that's mostly ignored. Then you can take your disinfectant liquid, and I'm using tissue paper. I'm avoiding microfiber towels just because that they retain a lot of moisture and probably can cause a lot of other problems inside the car. However, if you're using a home-based soap solution, which is also pretty effective, you might use a microfiber towel as well. Now, before doing that, I would recommend that you use a small patch where you put the alcohol mix and see if it has any adverse reaction to your interiors. But so let's begin by identifying some frequently accessed and touched areas. So let's begin by doing a thorough scrub of your steering wheel. Of course, your infotainment device. Now, I have a manual infotainment device. If you have a touchscreen, then do follow the cleaning recommendations provided by your manufacturer. All the gear levers, knobs and switches, your handbrakes, not to forget the door knobs and the window sills and the armrests for all the 4 passenger doors. Also, do not forget the seat belts, frequently accessed areas like sun visors and the rear view mirrors. And of course, some of the ones which are really ignored sometimes are the levers for seat adjustments, either a manual one like this or switches like your car would have had. And do not forget the very important key fob. So that's an equally frequently touched area. From an exterior standpoint, you should also do a thorough scrub of all the door handles and levers that are present in your car. Give your car a good thorough vacuum and clean it. So once you're done with all of that, if you're thinking about your upholstery, so I have fabric upholstery. So if I give a good scrub down with a damp soap solution, that's good enough. You can, for leather, you can use an isopropyl alcohol based solution as well. So but do a small patch testing just to make sure that things are in order. So yeah guys, so these are some of the tips that I read online. I'll leave some descriptions of some good articles that you may follow. And of course, my only request to you is to not panic in this situation. Follow the instructions from the government and make sure your car is super clean and happy and enjoyable for your friends and families. And before I end, if you have a question, please post it on the comments. I will be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Do like, share as much as possible, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.